I'm Dominic Rice, and you're watching A Taste of New York.
Okay guys, today we are headed to Amali to go and meet with Dominic. He's gonna be creating something delicious, and we're gonna be sprinkling some Tajin on it. Because we're sprinkling Tajin on everything.
Tajin is a unique blend of mild chili peppers, sea salt, and lime. Its continued popularity is a testament of its versatility and ability to enhance the taste of various foods, from fruits and vegetables to eggs, fish, poultry, beverages, snacks such as popcorn, dips, guacamole, just to name a few.
Thanks for having us.
Pleasure, pleasure. Welcome to Amali. Today we'll be talking about Tajin.
Come on, who doesn't know what Tajin is?
For most of us who do the Mediterranean cuisine, which we do here at Amali, it's really good to flavor that kind of a good flavor crosses international borders and gives you a nice, delicious finish to all food.
I've been putting this on every single thing I'm eating. So it's like breakfast sandwiches, fruit, I mean, anything. Yeah. Pretty much, it's not even just like savory stuff, sweets. Like
exactly.
Yeah. What are we making?
We're gonna make a apricot agrodolce with Tajin. Agrodolce is the traditional Italian sweet and sour. You know, you have a lot of different cultures around the world that use that, and I think this product exemplifies exactly what that is.
All right, you think it's gonna be pretty easy to follow along?
Absolutely.
All right, I'm gonna pay attention.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Basically, we're going to cook down our apricots to a nice consistency that's a thick, sweet and sour style. So we'll start off with our apricots here. And this is white balsamic. Pour that in. And then we have some of our honey. And then we have our Tajin, which is the mild chilies, lime, and sea salt. Sprinkle that in. And then we're gonna turn our burner up to bring it to a light boil or heavy simmer. And we'll cook that down for about 20 to 30 minutes. Put it in our pot. Lightly put it on the burner. And we'll stir it around until it gets warm. And we'll be using our Hotos feta, which we'll cut into 8-ounce blocks. What we'll do is we'll take our cast iron that we can heat up. We'll take our warmed up Tajin agrodolce. It was finished with a little bit of lavender flower. So we've got our warm Tajin agrodolce, apricots, and feta, which we're going to put in the oven for about 10 minutes so that everything gets nice and silky and smooth and warm. As you're waiting for your feta to warm up, we've grilled off a little bit of bread, and you can do this ahead of time as long as you lightly grill it, just to have your company kind of not wait for it. And you can put that in the oven as well and toast that off at the last minute. For our garnishes that we have here for our dish, we have a little bit of our local greens, peppery mizuna, a little bit of bull's blood, put a little bit of olive oil on that. Our Tajin we have here that we can pretty much use as a replacement for a unique experience for our salt. And we're gonna Tajin it. It was a great, unique flavor. A little bit of element of citrus. Stir that up. Being that we have a feta here, which is brined, you can actually take, and you can feel free to use the low sodium Tajin on that. A little bit of olive oil. And for some of us, we can't get enough of the Tajin, so they can finish it on the bread.
Dominic, thank you.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
So good.
I was glad to have you here at Amali, and now we have a product in Tajin that we can use on any of our Mediterranean dishes. Yeah, today's been an exciting day. We got to use a great product in Tajin to do Taste of New York, which we've worked with before and had a great experience. They do wonderful things for the state of New York and products to basically make sure that everybody has new culinary experiences, but can accentuate them with the local experiences they bring. Fun time, and always enjoy being on camera and meeting the host, and hey, it's a great day. Apricot agrodolce, Tajin, bon appetit.